In this video, we're going to take Clover Mini second generation through the first initial setup. Let's get to it. So once the machine is turned on, the first thing we need to do is pick a language. English is okay. So first step is connecting to the network, and Wi-Fi is an option. All right, so we're gonna quickly connect. All right, so once we've selected our wireless connection and provided the credentials, we'll go to next. And next. So Clover is going to take some time to do updates. Depends on when you've bought it and how many releases have been done since then. A quick reboot. When the device comes back up, and we're going to click next. All right, so to activate the device, you're going to enter the code, the 8-digit activation code which you have received from Clover by now. Alright, upon entering the code, Clover will begin installing all the apps that were pre-selected by your business consultant. And then you'll have an option to go to step 4 to customize your device. The final step is to customize your device, and the question is, do you want to require a passcode to unlock your device, and whether you want to ask for tips on the tablet screen or on a printed receipt. So let's do printed receipt because we're doing this, and yeah, let's go ahead and require a password. And there we go. And now we're going to convey the most important information for those who continue watching the video till the end. We'll go to the more tools and type in CSI works without space.